And the race on Flores by the Rally's Careless Moment. Agnes Claire on the federal side. Lynn Shotty in the middle. Lip up with Diamond. Flores by 2 lengths followed by Agnes Claire. Lynn Shotty is racing from the outside. Careless Moment. Gorgeous Queen rushing up now to take fourth spot. Alongside Lip Up with Diamond, Mystic Dragon Kitten on the piece and C and Hoy! Tama na is the early trailer. Flores by Sound 3 lengths, followed now by Gorgeous Queen. Lim Shotty is racing in third by the Agnes Claire, working towards the back. Gorgeous Queens now the leader. Flores down on the inside. Lim Shotty is racing in third by some 2 lengths. Agnes Claire. Careless Moment is racing in fifth by some 3 lengths alongside Lip Up with Diamond. And rounding the far turn, Gorgeous Queen, Flores, Agnes Claire, Lim Shotty is racing from the outside. Careless Moment getting closer in fifth. Lip Up with Diamond. Entering the last 450, Gorgeous Queen, this time by some 3 lengths now. As they race the final corner, Gorgeous Queen, the favorite by some 3 lengths. Flores, once again down on the inside. Careless Moment rushing up from the outside. Entering the finish line, it's now Careless Moment, followed by Gorgeous Queen. Lip Up with Diamond, entering the finish line, entry number 2, and this one is Careless Moment. Lip Up with Diamond, Gorgeous Queen, Flores, and for your Fantafecta and C, number 1 Miss Dragon, Kitten on the Kiss, Hoy! Tama na, Lim Shotty and Agnes Claire comes last.